spring brings the first dry, warm days to the Great Lakes region. The warmth and lack of humidity causes pine cones to open their protective scales and release their seeds. I set up a UV light to make the nutrients in this river glow lime green. The nutrients are fertilizers that help algae and other aquatic plants grow. The calm surface of these waters shows signs of life underneath. Lots of algae means lots of Calicidae larvae. The mosquito larvae devour the abundance of algae and grow into dense populations. Shiners gather in the thousands as they descend on the mosquito larvae like miniature sharks. When minnows are the top predator in an ecosystem, they consume insects, plant life, and anything else they can fit into their mouths. Ponds with minnows at the top of the food chain will be more clear with fewer insects and plant life. This bass is gorged on shiners. He evidently couldn't eat another one if it tried to swim into his mouth. It's obvious that predators affect their prey by catching and killing them, but there are less axiomatic ways that predators affect the environments around them. The bass changes the minnow's behavior not just by eating them, but also by scaring them. The minnow's fear of the bass keeps them in shallow waters and out of the deeper waters where the bass hunt. The absence of minnows allows algae forests to grow and insect life to thrive. Ponds with bass in them generally have more plant and insect life because of the fear they create in the minnows. That fear changes the minnow's behavior, keeping them in shallower waters. Not everything in this ecosystem is afraid of bass, though. A few days later, I was filming turkeys and was reminded of fear-shaped ecosystems as I was chased into my car by a turkey for some reason. I'm filming turkeys, and one just ran over to my car. It's going around my car, banging into it. Do you know me? What are you doing? What the heck? Through time, predators and prey shape each other's bodies and minds through evolution's constant tinkering. A minnow's fear shaping an ecosystem is just one of the ways unseen connections can create the world around us on this giant organism we call Earth.